Modalyst review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing Modalyst, and I'm going to be giving you an overview and a little bit of review and showing you how it works and how easy it is and showing you some of its pros and cons as well. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on modalyst.co. This is their website and it's pretty amazing. And as you can see over here, they're joining Wix right now because it's pretty amazing. So first, let me show you the pricing plans. This is one of the pros about it. So if you come over here onto the pricing plan and I just simply click on the pricing plans, you can see there are 3 pricing plans, right? And over here we can see there's a free plan, there's a startup plan, and then there's a pro plan, right? So free plan, it's called the hobby. So in the hobby, it's free. You don't get anything, special. But one of the pros about these plans is for Modalyst is that all the features that you see, right, like the product automation, pricing automation, and everything, all these different features are available in all the plans, which is amazing. It's not like they're forcing you to take or purchase a paid plan. They're like, you know what, come over here, use this free plan, see if you like it, and then see if you want to upgrade to another plan, which is pretty cool. And also, the only difference between all these 3 plans is that in the pro plan you get the premium suppliers and you get unlimited products, right? So that's the only difference between these 2 plans and the pro plan. So even in the starter plan, you don't get any premium suppliers. You only have a 250 product limit, although it is $35, which is one of the downsides. So pro sides is that you get all of the features that you can see even on the pro plan. The con is that if you decide to go ahead and purchase a premium plan, they're a little bit expensive, like 35. Like even if you double it, it doesn't come up to $90. It's like 80, I think. It's like $70. So even if you double the startup plan, it's like $70, but the pro plan is like $90, which is quite a lot. So this is one of the cons, I would say, but the pro is that all the features you would need are available over here. Plus you also get a 25 product limit on the hobby plan. So it's pretty amazing. Now, I've already created an account, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and log in and I'll show you what's next. All right, so when you log in, this is how it looks like, right? So one of the cool things about Modalyst is that they don't only find products from AliExpress. They also, you can get products from Alibaba and other print on demand websites as well, which is pretty cool. Like a lot of the other drop shipping applications out there, they only give you products from AliExpress and they don't even have it already sourced. So one of the cool things about Modalyst is that all the products that you're going to see on AliExpress over here, right, like if you come over here on all products, if you see all the products over here, these are going to be all the products that they already have. So they're already stored in their warehouse, so you don't have to worry about that. And because they're stored in their warehouse, the shipping time on these is very minimum. Like you can expect your product to arrive to your customers within 1 to 2 business days. And if you don't believe me, we're over here on Modalyst support, and over here you can see how do I manage my shipping details. Over here you will see that over here the processing time is the time that it takes to prepare the order, right? As the products are already in stock, we expect this to be the shortest time possible. Ideally it's going to take you 1 to 2 business days, right? However, for handcrafted items or items orders which take longer to prepare, they do need a little bit of time, to be more specific. So maximum time is going to be a week, more than a week, right? But as you can see, the minimum time is going to be 1 or 2 business days. But if you have like specific products that are like handcrafted or specific products, then for that you can expect 5 to 7 business days, maybe even a week. But yeah, nothing more than that, which is pretty cool. So this is one of the other pros I would say about Modalyst. Usually other dropshipping items or softwares, what they do is that they don't have it already stocked. They just allow you to get the product from AliExpress and then they ship it from AliExpress. So the timing from AliExpress is very weird. You can expect your product to arrive, like if you're drop shipping from directly from AliExpress, to arrive to your customers in like anywhere between 20 to 30, maybe even a whole month or more, like up to 60 days. Like that is also an option. So keep that in mind. This is another pro about Modalyst, is that they already have these products stored, so you don't have to worry about that, which is pretty cool. And you can also go into and detail and use your own shipping details as well. Like if you come over here onto the left side, you will see you have your settings, you will have products, dashboard, and all of that. Like you can even manage them, right? Like you just have to connect your Alibaba or AliExpress account, like over here. So it's pretty simple. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and connect our AliExpress account over here. And as you can see, it's pretty simple, right? Like all you got to do is just connect your account to your AliExpress account and you're good to go. Now already have this one as well. So pretty simple. Let me just reload this page. And as you can see, I already have the extension installed as well. And over here, as you can see, I'm on the AliExpress Dropshipping Center and I have joined their dropshipping program as well. And it's pretty amazing. Right now, I am on normal level. The current level of this month is based on the GMV of last month. So pretty simple. And you can go ahead and find products to sell, find product analytics as well to get, analytics on that product and see if it'll sell. So it's pretty simple. Let's go ahead and find a product as well. So over here, you just enter in the name of your products. You can even search by an image or sponsored products, right? And some of these hot selling products, as you can see, these are like hot selling products as of right now, and you can go ahead and get it, right? It's pretty simple. Let me actually change the currency so that you guys can understand. I'm pretty sure you guys don't know what RS is. So here we go. So these are some of the products that are really selling crazy right now. So it's pretty simple. This is what I was talking about. It's pretty simple. You can join the AliExpress account, and signing into products is very simple as well. And importing products is very simple as well. Like as you can see, if I come over here onto find products, you can quickly find different products as well. But before we do that, we need to go ahead and connect it to a store, right? Let me show you how easy it is. So if I come over here onto the left side and I click on connect to a store, and let's say we want to connect it to our Wix website, right? All we have to do is just simply click on install Wix. And for Shopify and BigCommerce as well, all we got to do is enter in our store name and click on install, and that's it. So for Wix, I'll just simply click on install now. Install Wix. It's going to take me over to the app manager of my Wix website, and I have to select the site. So let's say this is the site that I want to select. I'll just simply click on select this site. I'll click on add to site. It's going to add this option into my site, and as you can see, connecting to the store, boom, there we go. We're now connected, and we can easily import products and start selling it on our store. Let me show you. So we'll go over here onto find products, and let's just say that we have a bunch of different products that we want to sell. We'll go ahead and import these products from over here, because as I said before, these are the products that are already available within the Where store of Modalyst. So shipping rate days are going to be very easy. So it's pretty simple. So let's say that this is the product, right? So we'll just say add to import list. This product is automatically going to be imported into our import list. Let's go ahead and find some other products as well. Let me actually go over here and click on women's fashion. Maybe we'll find some dresses as well. Women watches, women's clothes, women accessories. Let's go with over here. Wedding and events. We have dresses under 80, prom dresses and all of that. Celebrity inspired dresses. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So as you can see, these are some of the dresses that we have. Like we're going to go ahead and import these dresses as well. And if we don't want to, we just simply come over here and let's go ahead and see. So over here, as you can see, we already imported this dress. We're going to import this one and this coat as well. Let's go ahead and import this one. And we'll import this dress as well. Scrolling down. I think this looks good. We'll import this one as well. Why not? Yeah, I think some of that is okay. Now let's go ahead and import some men's product as well. I'll go into men's fashion. So let's go ahead and import like this shirt as well. I think this shirt looks cool. Identity theft is not a joke. Yeah, Marilyn Monroe. We'll go ahead and get that. Still adding, by the way. Here we go. That's added. This one's added. And we'll go ahead and add that. This one's like pretty cool. There we go. We'll add this watch as well. Maybe this hoodie. And yeah. So as you can see, these products are now imported, right? Let's go ahead and import this shirt. Now all we got to do is go over here onto the left side on import list, and we can see we have all these different products, right? So we just simply have to edit these products out. Like we can go ahead and change the name. So we'll go with stretch flex, slim color, washing, vintage, rugged fashion t-shirts, button shirt. That's a pretty long name, so we'll just get rid of that and we'll just say button shirt. Yeah, men's button shirt. Yeah, I think that name looks good. And then in the description, we can see the description. We have the variants, and then we have the pricings and the media as well. Same thing with over here, single roadman's hoodies. And we'll get rid of that. Yeah, smaller name is good. Men's handmade engraved Ambila wooden timepiece. We'll get rid of that as well. I think that looks good. With this one, that's already a pretty long name. I don't want to. Newspaper Marlon Monroe graphic t-shirt. Yeah, I think that looks good. So what we can do now is we can select all of these products, right? Or we could come over here and we'll go into the second page where we have other products as well. So identity theft is not a joke. Yeah, that looks good. That name is very long. So Buka 2019 hot sexy v-neck. We'll go ahead and remove that. Dress double strap party club. We'll go ahead and remove that. Yeah, I think that looks good. The vendor, we can be this one as well. There we go. So everything looks good. Now if we want to import it, we'll just simply select, all products and add to store. And all 10 of these products are going to be imported over here. As you can see, processing finished, and we'll close. Now, if you want to go ahead and see these products, what we can do is go over here onto our Wix dashboard, and we can see this website, right? So let's go into the dashboard of this website. And if we click on the products or store products, we'll see the products are going to be added over here. Now, these are all the products, as you can see. And some of these products are already added, like these are like pre-made templates. So we'll just remove these, and then I'll show you within the store as well. Let me just remove that. All right, so here we go. Now what I'll do is, since this is my website, let me just open this site up. Let's go over to home and open it up in another tab. Yeah, these are the products aren't available over here, like they're not shown. So let's go ahead and click on edit this site, or edit this site, and then we'll import all of the product. All right, so here we go. So over here, this is the Wix store. We'll click over here. We don't have any products to show over here. We'll click over here and click on manage products. We'll select all of these products, and then we'll say add to collection. Actually, no, some of these. So these are for the dresses, so we'll just say these. We'll select them. We'll add that to women's collection. And then for the rest of them, since they're for men, we'll add them into the men's store. There we go. Now over here, if we want to select them, we'll just set visibility. We'll set visible. And I think that is good. And now we just simply choose the collection. We'll click on choose collection. We'll have women and men. There we go. As you can see, we have men's collection right here, and then we can add like women's collection as well. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. Or you can just simply switch it to all products, and then all the products are going to be shown over here. There you go. As you can see, we have all the dresses, their pricings, every single one. So as you can see, it's pretty simple and really easy. Then all you got to do is just simply save it, and you are good to go. And now if I come over here and I reload this page, we can see all of the products. And if we wanted to buy these products, all we have to do is click on the products, and then we can go ahead and buy it. Pretty simple, right? So this is one of the things that I like about Modalyst. It's so easy to use, and it's very, very fun. There's no inconvenience whatsoever. So pretty simple, right? So in my opinion, I give Modalyst a very simple 8 out of 10. The only reason I'm not giving it a 9 or a 10 is because of the pricing plan. But I would say that if they had improved their pricing plan, like if they've made it a little bit more cheaper, like if, let's say, the startup plan was, instead of $35, it was like maybe $20 or $25, then I would say, yeah, okay. And then if the pro plan was, instead of, let's say, $90, it was anywhere like $40, I would say it's even better. Then it would be perfect. But everything else, it looks pretty amazing. Like you can find your products from AliExpress, from print on demand website Alibaba as well. and you can sell a lot of different products. So in my opinion, it's pretty amazing. So pretty much that's it. That is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.